That day at Boren's supermarket in Richmond, I saw 2 stew pots in a corner and took them home. I brought them home and forgot about them. A couple of days later, I saw Grandpa digging through the cupboards. I asked what he was looking for. It was the stew pots. Guess it's time to cook with them. We haven't started cooking yet, but all we can think about are old memories of cafeteria stews and rice. This is bone-in pork tenderloin. It's best for soup because the bones add flavour. So I'll use a bit more bone and wash it with some cornstarch to remove any off smells.
搓一搓，试试。还原我小的时候的味道。
A good soup gets its flavour from the ingredients themselves, not from too many seasonings. Bone-in meats like pork bones, marrow bones, or chicken frames slowly release bone marrow and collagen when simmered. This makes the broth rich, smooth, and naturally tasty. The umami comes from inosinate and glutamate, which add depth to the flavour. Vegetables like radish, corn, and winter melon also contain natural sugars that slowly release while cooking, making the soup sweeter and more balanced. The broth stays clear, combining the rich taste of bones and meat with the fresh sweetness of vegetables. This natural flavour is the most delicious, so there's no need for too many seasonings.
有没有点像那个清水白菜？
The first stew pot is very simple. Just put the pork ribs with bones in, add a bit of Napa cabbage, some water, and it's ready to steam.
就这么大应该够。
Cut the pork hog into pieces and rinse them. Place them in a pot of cold water, bring it to a boil, and cook for 30 seconds. Meanwhile, soak the dried scallops and dried shiitake mushrooms. After boiling, rinse the pork hog thoroughly. And transfer it to the stew pot. Adding scallops, mushrooms, ginger, cooking sake and cooking wine, then some water. Then steam for an hour.
你有没有闻到那个猪脚的那个酒香？哇，好香！哦，这种炖出来，你看汤是清的，这是我小时候的感觉。对了，就那味道。是不是好久没吃饭盒了？
The third soup today is the same as yesterday's, pork loin with bones and radish. Just add a little salt and water. I'll put this in first and steam it for 30 minutes. Next, I'll prepare the fourth dish, steamed egg with fermented rice. I'll place the fermented rice at the bottom of the stew pot, add some red dates and goji berries for sweetness, crack in an egg, and pour in some milk. It only needs to steam for 20 minutes.
可香了。这个牛奶也会凝固，这个汤有多清呀？它这就会接在一起，然后底下的萝卜刚好烂了，非常好。
I asked Grandpa, "Do you still want to have a stew pot today?" He said he did. All right then. I took out the salted pork he cured half a month ago, along with cured duck, tied bean curd knots, and frozen bamboo shoots to make a yan du xian stew pot. The cooking method is simple. Blanch all the ingredients in boiling water to remove any off flavors, then place them together in the stew pot. Steam for at least an hour. The sixth stew pot dish carries the taste of my hometown. Steamed egg with minced pork. The minced pork is seasoned with soy sauce and sugar, ensuring a rich and well-balanced blend of sweetness and saltiness. Then, 2 eggs are added, and the mixture is steamed for 20 minutes.
很好吃这个。哇，这蒸肉饼特别香，久违的海底月，这个汁出来，你看这个汁来。
My favorite way to enjoy this dish is to mix it with rice. It's very delicious.
这个浇饭特别好吃耶，这是回到我们。
Wow, this last dish smells amazing. You should definitely give it a try.